Hello, you beautiful people. I'm Michael Botts, and the reason that you show up here every morning, by the way, thank you for showing up here every morning, but the reason you show up here every morning is because you want more. Now, some people would say, how dare you want more? And I say the opposite. You want more. When I say it, down in here, something starts to burble up, and you're like, I do want more. Maybe you'd forgotten to this point that you wanted more. And then I say it and I give you permission to feel it and you're like, I do want more. I want more money. Guess what happens when you get more money? You spend more money and it stimulates the economy. You give someone a job. I want more health. I want to feel healthy. I want to be lean and fit. I want to look in the mirror and be happy. I want to go to the doctor and not be worried about what the diagnosis is going to be. I want more health. Guess what happens when you get more health? You inspire others to be healthy. You give someone else permission to be healthy. When you're sitting at the table and you order veggies instead of French fries, you inspire someone. So when you get more health, you give more health. What about joy? I want more joy. Yes, Michael, I want more joy. That's not greedy. That's not you being greedy. Because when you have joy, guess what you give the world? Joy. So don't apologize for wanting more. You were born genius. You were born epic. You were born awesome. You were born to impact the world in a way that only you can impact the world. When your expiration date shows up, which we all have, the world can never be impacted the way that you can impact it. So you're going along, you're born with this amazing ability to succeed. You learn to walk, talk, and eat, and you never felt depression. You never had anxiety. You were never discouraged. You didn't push mama's milk away and say, no, mom, not tonight. I'm so stressed about walking. You walk, dad walks, grandma walks, grandpa walks, big brother walks. I haven't walked yet. I failed. I'm so stressed about it. That never happened. And you know why? Because you were walking along the beach of I am enough, succeeding in all the failure. And then you get caught in the riptide of life and you get sucked out into the ocean of am I enough? Now, in the ocean of am I enough, you're still trying to succeed. But now you're getting weighed down by doubt and fear and limiting beliefs. What other people think starts to matter. You learn this illusion that failure is a bad thing. And you start to drown in the ocean of am I enough? And as your lifeless body is sinking to the bottom of the ocean of am I enough, I reach in and I grab you and I drag you back up onto the beach of I am enough. And I start to resuscitate you. You spew out doubt. You spew out fear. You spew out limiting beliefs. And you start to take these steps down the path of success. Steps that maybe you haven't taken in a long time. And what do we know about the path of success, tribe? We know that the path of success is paved in gratitude. So every day on this part of the show, we express our gratitude. I am grateful for the beating heart of Elijah Botts, and I am enough. That's how you do it. I am grateful for the beating heart of Michaela Botts. I am enough. I am grateful for the beating heart of Caleb Botts, and I am enough. I am grateful for the beating heart of Noah Botts, and I am enough. I want you to start putting those in. And then I want you to do what I'm proud of. I'm proud that I spent the day with my two youngest sons yesterday. Laura Carroll's got one. I love it when people participate. It gives me energy. Did you see my energy go right up when Laura put hers out there? Laura says, I'm grateful for the experiences and memories that I've made with family and friends. Oh, that's nice. I am proud of that I have been able to bring experiences and memories to everyone, and I am enough. It stops at experiences. I don't know why it does that, but it won't give me the rest of it. But I am grateful that Laura Carroll participated. I wish you would all participate because it's so beautiful. And this is what happens. When you say a grateful out loud, it goes in your inner ear, down in your soul. Now your soul and universe are collaborating to make more of that happen. So what Laura Carroll has done is set herself up to create more experiences and more memories for her family and her friends. I love that. I love that. Now, as you put in your gratefuls and your proud ofs, we're going to take some breaths. These breaths will create space. This morning when you woke up, life was waiting there with this big giant wrecking ball, and it was aimed up here. And as soon as you woke up, it let it go. It pulled the release cord, and that wrecking ball is coming through your life to destroy, mess up, create havoc in your life. Life is hard, guys. And we get up against the cage and we're just taking punches from life. Oh, here's your mortgage. Oh, here's a bad report from the doctor. Oh, here's a bad report about your family. Oh, here's some problems in your relationship. Oh, here's some financial problems. Oh, here's payroll. Oh my God. Payroll every month. That is brutal. So we're going to take some breaths and it's going to create some space. Because when you're against the cage, you cannot solve problems. You cannot use your wisdom and your inner voice because you're just trying to keep from getting knocked out. But when we take these breaths, it creates space. And in that space is the solution. In that space, you know how to make payroll this month. In that space, you know how to solve that problem that the doctor told you was unsolvable. In that space, you know how to make the mortgage payment. In that space is the solution to what you're struggling with. Let's take our first breath. Ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Breathe in. Let it out. Just feel the space. Just feel the space in these breaths, guys. It's a powerful place. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe in. Let it out. We're doing one more breath. Feel the space. Don't rush this. This is important. Ready? Breathe in. Awesome. Hey, Bill Huddleston participated. Bill Huddleston says, I'm proud that the newest Eagle Scout, Cameron Farmer, spoke highly of the examples my son set for him when he was a young scout. Beautiful. Bravo, Bill. I know one of your sons personally, and that kid is awesome. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to put a 1 in there because this tribe will love on you and encourage you, and you will never miss a 9 o'clock episode that we do every morning. All right, today's subject is part 2 of the 3 powers of success. Now, yesterday we talked about the power of submission. You need to go back and watch that if you haven't watched it so that the rest of this makes sense. Today we're talking about power number 2 of success, and that is the power of unity. And I looked up unity, and in Google, all the definitions have the word unified in it. I could barely find something that didn't have the word unified in it. I don't think you should be able to use the word in the definition. But I did find something that I liked. Joined. When a team is joined, if you want to succeed, you're going to have unity. Okay? You're going to have a common goal. If you look at the SEAL teams, these things, oh, Mindy's here. Mindy says, I'm grateful for me. I have great ideas and dreams that will benefit my family and others. Oh, thank you, Mindy. I love that. Yes, I'm grateful for you too. If you look at the SEAL team, they are the most powerful, dangerous, successful team on the planet. And why is that? Because they are unified. They have unity. It is so powerful. They have unity. Now, I want to tell there's a story in the Bible, and it talks about these people that wanted to build a tower to heaven. And they were unified. They had unity. Okay? And God had to come down and stop that because the unity was so powerful. So a unified team gets the attention of God. That's how powerful it is. A unified husband and wife, most powerful thing on the planet. A unified business that has everybody in the business unified with one vision, one goal, powerful, unstoppable. So I wanted to talk about some of the characteristics of a unified team. Okay? Everybody has a stake in the vision. That's part of unity. Everyone needs to have something to lose and something to gain. Yeah, but Michael, I own a security company. I have 500 employees. The very guy that stands post, how can I get him to buy into the vision? Well, because he's eating, his kids are going to go to college, maybe he's paying his mortgage on this job. So he is a stakeholder, absolutely. You have to enroll him in the unity of it. Get him unified. You need your front line as unified and believing in the vision as much as the CEO. And the way you do that is by what do they have to gain by being unified, and what do they have to lose by not being part of the team. There has to be stakeholder. They need to have a stake in it. Okay? They need to feel respect. You want to create unity in a team, everyone needs to feel respected. You can't be, if you have a meeting, a board meeting, or a open table meeting, and someone expresses something, it needs to be respected. I don't care if it's the dumbest, stupidest, I can't believe that came out your mouth. That person needs to feel respected, that they can express themselves. And I must say that some of the greatest ideas in the world started out as the dumbest, stupidest, ridiculous, I can't believe that came out of your mouth. But as it evolved, it turned into an iPhone. As it evolved, it turned into fresh, clean drinking water for millions of people. So, to create unity that is part of the 3 keys to success, there needs to be respect. Stakeholder, something to lose, something to gain. Everyone on a team needs to feel respect. And they need to feel heard. Those would kind of go together, but make sure they're feeling heard. If they express something, you need to acknowledge it. Even if you can't solve it. My check is totally screwed up. I can't believe you screwed up my check. You don't love me. You don't care about me. I'm not important to you. No, we did screw up your check. We are going to try to fix it, but I want you to know you're an important part of this team. What you do matters, and we want you on this team. Do you see what happened there? I'm creating unity. And it needs to be inclusive. A lot of times, as a bigger a team gets, there's these little cliques. As I coach football, my defense, I was the defensive coordinator. My defense, we would meditate together. And we would visualize us winning the game. And we went 2 seasons and only got scored on 3 times. Because of that unity. And everyone was included. Whether you played 1 down or just practiced, or you as a starter, you were included in the visualization. So it created unity. Unity is a key to creating success. First, you can't do this by yourself, so you need a team, and you need that team unified. And when that team is unified, when everyone is a stakeholder, when everyone has something to gain and something to lose, and they feel respected and honored and heard, that team is the most dangerous thing on the planet. Unity, guys. Unity is key if you want to succeed. But Michael, I'm all by myself, Michael. I don't have employees yet. I don't have this. I don't have that. Couple things you can do right away. First, you could get me as your coach. That will be 2 of us unified. Secondly, you're using somebody for something. Marketing, digital marketing. You got a friend that could unify with you. You need unity. All alone is tough and it's dangerous. When you're all alone, it's dangerous. You can fall off real easy. Hey, that was part 2 of 3 parts of success, and I want you to come back tomorrow and get number 3. I love you. I care about you. I want to do 3 calls to action. Number 1, show up here every morning at 9 a.m. I'm going to be here. The tribe's going to be here. Come and be a part of this. Number 2, share this video. It will help someone if you'll share it. You'll be helping them, you'll be helping me, and you'll be helping yourself because you'll feel good about helping them and me. And thirdly, if you need some help in this arena of success, I would love to come alongside you and chat with you and see if we could serve each other. Have a great day.